Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine, and I hope you have done your test with honesty. So you can check your test paper through the answer PDF. Okay, I send you in your group. Okay, so now today's topic is tense. Today's topic is tense. Okay, and I told you before, tense have three form: present, past and future. Okay, so first we know about what is the tense is a method that is used to refer the time. tense is a method. tense क्या है? एक तरीका है जिसके द्वारा हम टाइम को बता सकते हैं, शो कर सकते हैं. ओके ओके एंड दे आर थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ टेंस. टेंस कितने तरह के होते हैं? थ्री: प्रेजेंट, पास्ट एंड फ्यूचर. ओके, प्रेजेंट मीन्स वर्तमान काल, पास्ट मीन्स भूतकाल एंड फ्यूचर मीन्स भविष्य काल. ओके, एंड प्रेजेंट मीन्स यानी जो चल रहा है, व्हाट इज गोइंग नाउ. ओके, एंड व्हाट इज what I am doing to now. I am teaching you, and now what are you doing? You are studying. Okay, and past, भूतकाल मीन्स जो बीत गया. ओके, जो बीत गया मीन्स वॉट एवर डू इन द मॉर्निंग. एंड फ्यूचर, भविष्य काल, आने वाला. एंड वॉट एवर वी डू, यू विल डू नेक्स्ट मोमेंट. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट tense are divided into three categories: present, past and future. Okay, and these the three tense are divided into four categories. all the three tenses, ये three tenses four categories में divide किए गए हैं: indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Okay, present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. Okay, and past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. Future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous. Okay, all the three tenses divided into four categories. All categories are same: indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Okay, now it is cleared, and move forward. Now we know about the form of verb. Okay, the verbs are used in all tenses. जो कि verb tenses में यूज़ की जाती है. I divided the verbs into four parts: first form, second form and third form. I divided into four form. Okay, first form is a base form. Go is a base form of. Okay, and it is a es form. Okay, when we add es or es in the verb. Okay, in present tense. And went is the second form, gone is the third form, and I write here the fourth form is going. Okay, यहाँ मैंने फोर्थ फॉर्म यहाँ मैंने गोइंग रखी है. ओके, नाउ वी नो अबाउट हाउ टू यूज़ देम. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट, do you know, children, in maths you study about odd and even number. So tell me, what are odd number? Do you know? So first we know it is a present tense, it is a past tense, it is a future tense. It is categorized into 4 categories: present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect continuous, past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. At the future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. Okay, all the three tenses have same categories. Okay, now we are talking about the odd number. So student, what is the odd number here? What is the odd number here? 1.1, 1.3, 2.1, 2.3. Okay, and 1 and 3. Here is the odd number. Okay, and what are the even numbers? Even numbers: 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. Okay, from this secret we understand that how we use the verbs in all tenses. Okay, at first we take present continuous. Okay, पहले हम लेते हैं present continuous को. इस सीक्रेट से हम सारी verbs को लर्न करेंगे. Okay, look, those are even numbers 2 and 4. यानी जो भी इवन नंबर्स हैं, इवन नंबर्स क्या हैं? 2 and 4. जहाँ पर भी 2 and 4 है वो इवन नंबर्स हैं. सो ओके, वी यूज़ देम वर्ब 4 फॉर्म, यानी वर्ब की हमें 4th फॉर्म यूज़ करनी है, मीन्स ING फॉर्म. ये दिस इज़ द फॉर्म, ये हमें यूज़ करनी है. ओके, if the tense is present continuous, is the tense is past continuous, is the tense is future continuous. हमें सब all the tenses में ING फॉर्म यूज़ करनी है. ओके, और if the tense is present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous and future perfect continuous, सभी में हमें कौन सी वर्ब यूज़ करनी है? वर्ब की 4th फॉर्म, यानी ING फॉर्म. ओके, देयर आर 12 tense. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, you counted it. 12 tense. In 12 tenses you use ING form in 6 tense. इन 12 tenses में आप 6 फॉर्म यूज़ कर रहे हैं. 6 tenses में आप ING फॉर्म यूज़ कर रहे हैं. प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस, past continuous, future continuous. These are 3: present perfect continuous, future perfect continuous, and past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous. मीन्स जितने भी continuous tense होते हैं वहाँ पे हमें ING फॉर्म यूज़ करना होती है. ओके, हाउ? ओके, it is clear now. Now move on third point. Okay, नाउ मूव ऑन थर्ड पॉइंट. अब थर्ड पॉइंट पर आते हैं. थर्ड पॉइंट पर इन दिस टेंस वी यूज़ थर्ड फॉर्म. थर्ड पॉइंट पर आते हैं तो थर्ड फॉर्म ही यूज़ करनी है. ओके, दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट पॉइंट. सेकेंड पॉइंट इज़ द थर्ड पॉइंट. थर्ड फॉर्म पे आते हैं तो वर्ब की हम थर्ड पॉइंट पर वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म यूज़ करेंगे. ओके, if the tense is present perfect, if the tense is past perfect, if the tense is future perfect. Okay, all the tenses we use third form of verb. Okay, and why we use third form? Because it comes in third position. First it is a second and it is a third position, so we use third form. Okay, now and it will be cleared. I hope it will be cleared. all the even numbers tens 1.2, 2.2, 3.2, 1.4. Okay, what 1.1.2, 1 point was 2.2, 3.2, 1.4, 2.4 and 3.4. Okay, we use them fourth form of verb, means ing form. Okay, ing form. And those tense comes at third number, we use third form. Okay, third form of the verb. Now move forward. This is the last point. Last point is